Hello friends, welcome back to the new video, and as you can see today we are going to discuss why does the classification systems keeps on changing. Okay, so this is very short and precise video, and without wasting the time, let's start the video. So we are going to understand why the classification system keeps changing. So the first main reason is the new discoveries of the organisms. Okay students, the scientists, they are constantly discovering the new species, and often these life forms or the new species, they don't fit into existing categories. Okay, that's why we will build the new classification or categories for them. For example, the discovery of Archaea, it has led to the creation of the third domain of life. Okay, that is separated from the bacteria and eukarya. Okay, so the new discoveries of organisms keeps changing the classification. The second one is the advancement in the technologies. So with the time, the tools like DNA sequencing and the electron microscopy, it has revealed the genetic and the structural detail that were not available before. Okay, so this has also led to the change in the classification. So the example here is the whales. So whales, if we think they are close to the marine animal, it is not. It is more closely related to hippos than to the other marine animals. Okay, so the third is the better understanding of the evolutionary relationship. So the classification with the advancing knowledge is now focusing more on the evolutionary lineage, that is the phylogeny, rather than just the physical trait. Okay, so this also lead to the changes in the classification system. For example, the birds, they were once grouped separately, okay, but now they are classified as a part of the reptile clade, although they don't resemble with the reptile. Okay, but since they shared the ancestry with the dinosaurs, now they are placed into the reptile clade. Okay, so this is how the knowledge, it will change the classification system. Okay, the fourth is the correction of the past error. So previously there was less knowledge, like less data sharing was also there, and the early system, they were based on the superficial trait. Okay, so now as the science is progressing, the misclassification, they are being corrected. Okay, so the example here is the fungi. So they were once classified as the plant, but now due to their mode of nutrition and the cell structure, they are placed into a separate kingdom. Okay, so the fifth reason is the global scientific collaboration. Now with the advancing technologies, more and more international research and the data sharing, okay, is happening. Okay, more data is available in the public database, and this has helped in refining the classification system, and this makes it more accurate and universally accepted also. Okay, so these five factors, they are contributing to the changing classification system. And the last one is the dynamic nature of the science. Okay, so the science is also evolving with the evidence, and the classification, it's not a static. Okay, it is bound to be changed, and it adapts to the new knowledge, and with the new